this song of Loser Baby. I love it, and many other people that watch it love it too. Why? Because this song is the real thing. When you're feeling down, just hearing Husk singing, you're a loser just like me. Maybe you lost, maybe you're addicted like me, maybe you do bad stuff like me, but you're not alone in this. Do you know how great of a hug this is? Do you know that you're not alone in your deepest despair, in your deepest horrible point in life? That's the best thing ever. And if you are feeling alone in your artistic journey, or you're feeling alone in life in general, remember that it's impossible to be 100% alone. And this should be in a way to make you feel more calm and more in control of the situation, because we're never truly 100% alone. And this is such a relief. I don't know what you may go through, but one thing I know, we all have those deep dark moments, and we all know that we can pass through it. No matter how long it takes, it's going to pass. Everything in life passes. And that's the best message that I can give to you in this video.